My name is Ezekiel. Thank you for coming. In this video, I just want to talk, but the talk is not useless and not a senseless talk. Just maybe an advice for people that want to speak right, for the elocutionist outside there that want to speak to mesmerize their listeners. Okay, there are some basic things you need to know in speaking or pronunciation skills. You need to study 44 sounds of the English. You need to study stress properly, especially the primary stress, very important. Also, you need to study intonation. Okay, very important also as another crucial aspect of speaking. Also, you need to know when a letter is silent in a word. You need to know also when you are supposed to tap your alveolar, I mean. Just in speaking, not in written form. Because many times some persons want to say water. Okay, they wouldn't want to say water. Well, it's not bad if you want to say party. I went to the party yesterday. All of that makes you to speak very fast and naturally. But if you want to say party, say party. Okay? But I'm very sure you can write party down for party. Oh my god. Okay. So you can say party, you can say water. Okay? It's not bad. So all this you need to study properly so that you speak naturally. Like I said, 44 sounds of the English alphabet you need to study. How do I mean? Those sounds, remember we have 20 vowel sounds and we have 24 consonant sounds. Study that properly so that you know what to say. You don't end up saying was instead of was. Okay? You study that properly, and again you come back to, or you go down straight to stress. I told you that primary stress is very much important to study. How do I mean? Listen to this. You might end up saying, unfortunately. Okay, let me use this. Mischievous. 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 Yeah, that word has the primary stress on miss. Mischievous. So in a sentence, when you're reading, when you're speaking, this is just the exact way you're going to say it. Mischievous. Mischievous. Just in a sentence also, you go like mischievous. Some persons will say mischievous. Mischievous. So if you say mischievous, that means your primary stress is on the second syllable, which is completely wrong. Okay? So your primary stress is on miss. So you go like mischievous. Mischievous. You go like calendar. You go like arbiter. You go like fortunate. You go like retaliate. Retaliate. You go like illiterate. You go like military. You go like secretary. You go like cemetery. Okay, so you need to study all this very well. That's stress for you so that you sound naturally. Then after, you need also to study intonation. Yeah, I mean intonation. Because you can always be rising and rising and rising when you speak. There should be a time that you fall. When you have to fall before. When you have comma, you rise. When you have conjunction like on, like if, you rise also. Give a break. Then you rise there before you move forward. Okay? Intonation in the study. And also in some words, you have to let go of some letters in the pronunciation. For instance, you are saying listen. Listen. Did you hear T? Did you hear the T sound? No. I just said listen. That means that I didn't articulate the letter T sound there. Apostle. Also, you don't say it. But sometimes, American also go with that. Okay, you hear something like department. Actually, the word is department. Department. There is T, but you just don't like saying T always. If it is in the middle or the end of the word, of the word, they don't always say it. So what you hear is department. Department. This is my apartment. You might say apartment. American always go like apartment. You may not hear the T, not in this very word, but in many cases, not in all cases. Okay? Excuse me. So not always, Sorry about that. So study your letters very well. Get to know when the letter is silent and if it is to make a sound. Comfortable, not comfortable. Restaurant, not restaurant. Okay? So you need to know. Thank you very much. Like I said, I just want to talk, and this seems to be an advice for whoever that wants to speak right. The name is Ezekiel. Bye for now.